How to blur and track a person's face on Capcut. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right into it. First thing you're going to do is import any picture or video where you want to blur the person's face. So I have this video right here. This is not a person, but I'm going to show you guys with this example. So what I'm going to do is add this video to my track. So let's say if I want to track this zombie's face or I want to blur it, what I'm going to do is copy this, Control C and Control V, and create an overlay of it. Now on this overlay, I'm going to go ahead and add an effect, which I'm going to name it blur. So just search for any blur effect right here and it will show you, or you could just go to lenses and it will show you the blur effect. Now click on any one of them and then add it to your track. Once the blur effect has been added, make sure that it goes all the way through this. And then now click on the video and you're going to create a mask here. Go to this mask section and then click on add a mask. Now for a face, you would preferably want a circular mask. So if you press this circle, you can adjust its size. So if you want it, you just want it to fit it on the face. All right, so once you get here, what you can do is scroll down until you find an option called invert. So what you can do is now bring this blur effect right to this video and apply it. So as you can see here, the blur effect has been added here. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it on the video and remove this effect from here. Now, as you can see, the mask has started working. It is now blurred the face. So you just play the video, but before you do that, you just add a key point to this. Start playing the video, and every time this character moves, you move the mask with it, like this. Pause it, and it will automatically create a keyframe. So do this as many times as you need to do. Just pause and play and remove the mask from here. And just keep doing this until you reach the end of the video. So let me just show you guys how it looks. I'm just going to click on the beginning of the video, and as you can see, the mask is continuously tracking its face. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.